Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do human anatomy and physiology, and that the human body and its constituents. Let us discuss. Level of structural complexity. Within the body are different level of structural organization and complexity. The most fundamental of there is a chemical. Atoms combine to form molecules, of which there is a vast range in the body. The structure, properties, and functions of important biological molecules are considered. Cells are the smallest independent units of living matter, and there are trillions of them within the body. They are too small to be seen with the naked eye, but when magnified using a microscope, different types can be distinguished by their size, shape, and size. They absorb when staying in the laboratory. Each cell type has become specialized, enabling it to carry out a particular function that contributes your body needs. Some highly magnified nerve cells, the specialized function of a nerve cell is to transmit electrical signals, nerve impulses. These are integrated and coordinated, allowing the millions of nerve cells to the body to provide a rapid and sophisticated communication system. In complex organisms such as the human body, cells with the similar structure and functions are found together, forming tissues. That means particular functions, cells form together as a tissues. The structure and function of cells and tissues are explored. Organs are made up of the number of different types of tissues and have evolved to carry out a specific function. For example, stomach is lined by a layer of epithelial tissues, and that its wall contains layers of smooth muscles tissues. Both tissues contribute to the function of the stomach, but in different ways. System consists of a number of organs and tissues that together contributes to one or more survival needs of the body. For example, the stomach is one of the several organs of the digestive system, which has its own specific functions. The human body has several systems which work interdependently, carrying out specific function. All are required for health. The structure and functions of the body system are considered together. The internal environment and homeostasis we'll discuss later. Now we'll further discuss about these things now. The human body is made up of many components, including chemical elements, cells, and systems. The human body is complex, highly organized structure made up of the unique cells that work together to accomplish the specific function necessary for sustaining life. Anatomy is organized by levels from the smallest components to cells to tissue and organs and to organ systems. But yeah, this figure explains this. Atom, molecule, cell, and forms a tissue and become organ, and it become organ system and organism. That is a complete body. The chemical element, oxygen, the vital component of metabolism, respiration, and cellular oxygenation. It's also found in proteins, carbohydrate, fats, and nucleic acids. Calcium, the most abundant metal in the body, calcium is essential for bone and teeth formation. Carbon, the second most abundant element in the body, carbon is found in proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Cells, red and white blood cells, circulate in the blood carrying oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Platelets, irregularly shaped cell fragments that help blood clots. System, Endocrine system produces hormones that regulate growth, development, metabolism, and reproduction. Nervous system controls how we respond to and interact with our environment. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and sensory organs. Skeletal system includes joints, which are made up of bones, cartilage, and synovial fluids. Blood. Blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste throughout the body. The heart pumps blood to other organs. Look at here, levels of structural complexity. Look at here. There are, in human body, there are 6 levels of structural complexity, that is chemical, cellular, tissues, organs, system level, organismic level. These are the 6 systems combined together the body. The level of structural complexity in the body, human body, from simplest to most complex are chemical, or atoms combine to form chemicals like water, protein, and carbohydrates. Organelle. Chemicals combine to form organelles like the nucleus, plasma, membrane, and Golgi apparatus. Cellular. Cells work together to form tissues. Tissues. Group of cells with similar functions work together to form tissues. Organ. Tissues work together to form organs that perform specific bodily functions. Organ system. Organ together work together to form organ systems. Organism. The entire living thing, such as the human body. Higher level of organization are built from lower levels. So far we discussed a little about levels of structural organization of the body. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.